Eto is on a bill of fare today. This is very delicious. If you are old subscriber or follower, you remember the Eto story I told you last year. That is just by the way. This is one of my daughter's favorite food, and that is what we are making. Let's get started. I have with me here my plantains. This is a bit ripe, okay, not overripe, and it is not green as well, so that is very perfect for Eto recipe. If you want to use yam, that is okay. You can use cocoyam as well, and that also tastes so good. I have the cocoyam version, and I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon. You will love it. So I washed the plantain very well before peeling the skin. If today is the first time coming across my video, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. I do appreciate it. So I've added my pepper. I'll go ahead and add some water, and then it is on fire already. Okay, we are going to boil this, and we are done boiling. We will just go ahead and strain the water, and then I'll come back. That is my fermented fish or momone I've added to my jomi. I'll go ahead and add some chopped onions, and then give it a stir. Wait for a while, then we proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Now I have my onion here, my pepper, and we are just going to grind this very well. Thank you so much once again for your time. After I'm done, I'm just going to add the plantains to it bit by bit. But I was doing 2 videos at the same time, this one and extra 2. So the plantain became very hard. Okay, it became cold. That is why you are seeing it that way. But I promise I'm going to grind this very smooth for you, and you will love it. Okay, so as you grind it, you add the oil, then you grind. If you do that, the oil is going to help it to become smooth. That is what I've realized. Okay, yes, so you grind some, you add the oil, you grind, and you will get that smooth texture you want. Okay, now I'm just going to repeat the same process, then I will show you the end result. It looks delicious already, isn't it? So yes. Thank you so much once again, and I'm reminding you again, do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free, and please share to others. I'll be very happy if you share the video, like, and also leave me comments. So I removed the one we did earlier, and I'm grinding another one, okay, because it was more than my anyway. Okay, you can use your potato masher for this. If the plantain is very hot, okay, you can use it. You do not wait for it to cool down before you use the potato masher. And also you can use your food processor, maybe the pause. You blend, you pause, you blend, you pause. Okay, it's going to make it very nice as well. I bet you adding the momone to this, oh my goodness, it took it to the next level. Yes, so now I am done with everything, and I poured everything into my bowl. I'm just going to add some peanut butter. Okay, I have the recipe on my YouTube channel at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please, you can check it out. And please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. In fact, follow me on Instagram, TikTok at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you so much. So I'm done with everything. So you see, you can even do it without your anyway. You can use your bowl, and that is going to help. Now I'm just going to garnish it with my scallions, onions. I have some eggs. I have my avocados. Today I don't have salted tilapia. That is just by the way. So our food is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and so I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you. Love yourself first. See you in the next one. Bye.